Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily energies, Aquarius, I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys. For your career situation and relationship, we'll be picking cards from another deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, it can be something in your career or personal life, you can think about it and these cards may answer your questions, guys. So let's start with your daily energies first. Aquarius, it's 7 of moons in reverse. I hope you can see the cards. 7 of moons in reverse, ace of suns in reverse, and 10 of suns in reverse, guys. Aquarius, with these cards, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are progressing towards some new path. It may be something in your career, new projects or new business collaborations or whatever it is. But this may not be the time for proceeding on that line, guys. You have to take time and think, because whatever you may start, Aquarius, the energies here is that you may see some rough patch, so you have to think twice before you proceed towards something new in your situation today. Maybe something new in your career or personal life. And maybe for some of you, you are facing lots of obstacles, maybe something which is really troubling you. And maybe for some of you, you may have people helping you, your friends or family members who have that true concern on you. They may come forward with help or some suggestions. So I also see that you may be facing some financial loss during this time, Aquarius. Something not going according to your expectation. And maybe this situation, the reason may be because you want to succeed in some lines. You are just having those fantasies and working on the lines of your fantasy, whatever you have for your career, and you are not aware of that day-to-day problems that you have, Aquarius. So your determination and willpower you have in your aspirations or fantasies may be the reason for some stressful situations now. So this is the time you have to give up those fantasies and live in the present, live day to day, guys. See what is happening right in front of you, and if you concentrate on the things right in front of you, you may be able to resolve this situation, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. And you are simply depending on those dreams of yours or fantasies to give you that confidence. So, and you build your life based on that vision that you have because of these dreams. So that may be the reason that you are not seeing the truth. You are seeing that you are having that false perception. So you have to see the real problem here, what needs work today in your circumstance, and go for it to correct that part in your life, Aquarius. If you do that, you will see success in your situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies. I'll be picking one card from this deck for your career situation, guys. This is an oracle guidance. So whatever these cards are, they will be a guidance. Some questions we have in our mind about our situation, so it will answer that, guys. So let us see What is the card? Observer. So with this card in your situation, it just means that you have to have that clear perception of your situation, just like I said with the previous cards. You are just going for those fantasies and dreams, and maybe you have to have a different perspective today, different objectivity, and we see our situation through that personal lens, and we identify it with our feelings and experiences, and we come to believe that that is the only reality. But at times we have to reorder things, guys. View our situation from a distance, view our circumstance from a neutral vantage point. When you do that, you will have a clear view of your circumstance, and you will be happy that you did, because once you know the truth, that clarity, you will know the answer. So that is what this card is about. So this is the time you have to distance yourself, see your work and projects from a different perspective. The trick is to connect to that essence of your goals or aspirations, whatever you have for your work. So when you give up this too personal attachment to the outcome, you will be able to see that things are going in a perfect way, and what needs to be done to make things go in a perfect way, guys. And you will know that with that understanding, you will have better chances, better potential for success in your career. So that is what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. I'll be picking one more card for your relationship. So one card for your relationship, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your relationship, you can think about it, guys. I will turn this card, clean it up. So this card just means that we have to clear the baggage, whatever we have in our situation, guys. We have to have that room to get to the core of that situation. So freedom from cleaning and freedom from clutter. Sorry, guys, freedom from clutter. So when we, even at home, guys, when we keep unwanted things in our homes, we will be overwhelmed because each and everything has an occupies an energetic space. So whatever we do not use, we should clear those things, give space, so we don't be overwhelmed with that negative energy. So when you make room, you are just inviting miracles in your life, guys. The same way in your relationship, this is time to clear that air. So whatever is there in your mind, you need to sweep it away, all that old things that you do not need, and you have to clear that up. So give up that baggage, maybe your past memories or some hurtful memories with this present person, whatever is unwanted to you, whatever will affect this connection, you have to give that up, so this relationship will flourish, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for y'all Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.